Hey everyone, so I am back. My name is Aga Tompkins, and today I just had to make a video right when I woke up because I received my ColourPop Fade Into Hue palette and the pencils, the eye pencils, the Vault Color Me Obsessed. Look at this cute packaging. I love them. I can't wait to try them. They're cream colored gel liners. Oh, I just love this color. It kind of reminds me of Tiffany's. They draw on so easily. I can't wait to do a look with these. And of course, this palette that has all the colors of the rainbow. So cute. I love it. I'm excited. I like that they're like pretty solid Roy G. Biv. And then there's of course like some shimmers and glitters, which is nice. Happy holidays. Cute. I love their packaging for this one. Yeah. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway of this exact thing, so get excited. And I figured I would do a look right away with it, so I'm just gonna remove what makeup I have going on right now. I just wanted to film the unboxing of this palette and pencils, and I have no idea what I'm doing yet with it, but come on, it's so cool. BRB. So I took off my makeup and primed, and now I'm going to get started with these colors. So I'm gonna do, oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. I don't know what to do. They're so good. Okay, let's think about this. I think I'm gonna do reverse Roy G. Biv, kinda. Like, I guess it won't be reverse. We'll do R on the outside. Like that. I'm just gonna do both at the same time and call it a day. Kind of packing those suckers in there. Blend them out a little bit. I'm gonna do this Art Deco for the orange. I thought about doing the darker colors on the outside, but then I changed my mind and decided I'm gonna mix it up a little bit because I feel like that's the natural answer, is to do the purple and the blue on the outside, but I wanted to flip it, man. Now for yellow, let's see here. Gosh, I definitely want to use the glitter, so I almost want to go solid. I'm gonna go solid yellow in the center and pack that on there. It's so, like, the pigments are amazing on these, actually. I love this already. I feel like I would love to do just like a sunset look. So maybe next time I will recreate this general look, but with no blues and purples and greens. Cool. Green. Oh man, but we're getting closer to the center. I feel like I have to go with like, no, you know what? I'm gonna go bold. Screw it. Right now it feels like a paradise vacation. We're still in paradise. Like, yeah. It'll make sense, I promise. You'll see. Now blue. Wow, we're really getting in there. I'm gonna go with this for blue. Since we're getting closer to the center. Nope, I lied. I'm going with this one. It's called Watermark. I'm just gonna blend these out a little bit. I feel like I need to do something about this green. I'm gonna pack a little more green on there. I don't think it's loving staying. I'm gonna do this express in here. I'm gonna fix up the yellow a little bit in the center. Blend them babies. Now just add any neutral color at the top by your brow bone. Like so. And blend them a little bit up. I do feel like I have to keep packing on this green because there's some fallout from it. And I put a primer on, so I don't know what it's doing. I'm gonna add a little bit of that blue again, just so you can see it. They're very pigmented, I love that. Now I'm gonna clean up the mess I've made. Just put on some concealer. I feel like I have to add a bit of purple pop in the center because it doesn't feel purple enough. So I'm gonna use this purple in here. That's better. Yeah, I like that. Good. I'm bringing these into the mix in just a second. So now I'm gonna kind of bring down the same process, packing it in there. I actually wanna bring in this purple, because I love it, into the very corner there. God, there's just too many colors. It's impossible, I feel like. I wanna use the whole palette. Eee! So now, yellow. I mean, it's a wild one. Orange. Okay, I know it's getting a little crazy, but bear with me, people. Hang in there. I promise it'll turn out fantastic. Now, put the red. I need a smaller brush to pack it into the corner. Oh, I'm so excited this came. This is gonna be so good to have. Like, I feel like this is a good palette because you always need these colors for something. You know, it's one of those things where it's like, it can be a great go-to for just having the rainbow of colors. And you can have so many ideas with it, I feel like. Blend that red out a little. Well, that's fun. Now I'm gonna bring these into play because I got them, so I'm gonna use them. Oh, I'm gonna blend out, I wanna blend out the top of this a little bit, sorry. I'm just gonna blend in this little dark corner a little bit. I'm gonna use this ColourPop Créme Gel Liner Piggy Bank on my waterline. That really ties more purple and I love that. Since the purple's in the center, which in the light, it looks a little brighter than it is in person. And I'm just really using natural light to do this. Yeah, these go on so smooth. They're amazing. I actually kind of want to use this for my wing as well. Let's do it. Oh, I broke it. Well, be careful. Cool, I like that. Maybe I'm gonna do the lighter purple above it, actually. Or in the front. I'm gonna do it just in the front. Yeah. I'm gonna use the white right here, just under my wing. It just opens up my eye, I always feel like. Once I put mascara on over my life, you'll see. It'll make sense, you'll see. Now I'm just gonna draw I'm just kind of freehanding like a cut crease. I'm able to do that because I do this a lot, but for you, make sure you can see where your crease is so it's like above where your eye crease is. Oh my god, this is so fun. Why haven't I done a rainbow look before? Maybe because I didn't have this amazing palette. I love how easily this glides on too. It makes it for super easy drawing. I'm real happy with it. So I would definitely suggest doing this look without having your lashes on already, but since I did, I just went with it. Now I'm kind of drawing in my brows with this Joyride Créme Gel Liner. It's got a bit of a purpley hue to it. I just thought for fun, why not do a fun brow look? So let's do something different. The good thing about not having eyebrows is you can literally do whatever you want with them. That's the only good thing. Now I'm gonna use this Charmer color for the front. This isn't gonna be a very natural eyebrow look, clearly, because these are like gel liners, so they're not, you know, they're meant to be funky. Just have fun, it's makeup, you know, you get to like experiment and wash it off. It's not forever, it's for today. I really like ColourPop. I like the fact that they're affordable too. I feel like a lot of makeup is way overpriced nowadays, it seems like. So there's just something about knowing you can get a product for a good price and not feel like you're breaking the bank. And I think that's why I have so much ColourPop stuff, because every time they come up with something new, I don't feel like I'm doing something terrible and, you know, spending lots of money, because they are so reasonable and anybody can afford it, you know? It's like really good quality for what you're paying for. So definitely worth it. All right, now glitter time. I'm gonna do this Lucky Charm in the center where the yellow is. Actually, this looks like Lucky Charm cereal now that I think about it. Ooh. Yes. That definitely did its job. Goes on really well. Like I said, put your lashes on after. That was stupid of me. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm going to add a little bit of this blue glitter as well, just because I want to put more glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the blue section. And I'm actually gonna put it on the bottom blue section as well, because I feel like that'll add to this bottom, because I feel like the bottom's a little weird. And that does the job. I kind of want to add the glitter on the bottom of the yellow too. Whatever. This look isn't supposed to be basic, duh. It's fabulous, obviously. It's weird because I feel like there's no big reveal because I already have my lashes on. I'm gonna just fix up the rest of my face. I'll be right back. I'm actually gonna shadow in some of this dark purple into my brows too, because I feel like they need to be set. Oh, I just got it all over my nose. Oh well. I feel like they need to be set. So I might go into the lighter purple. I don't know what I'm doing. I just feel like something needs to happen with these brows. I'm gonna use the Majestic purple on the very end of it. Almost like an ombre. Yeah, I'm digging that. That's cool. Okay, I'm glad I did something. It was bugging me. See, with makeup, it's never too late, buddies. You can always fix them. Yes. So good. So here's my final look. I love this palette. I think it's really great. I think the only color that was kind of giving me a hard time is the bold type green. That was kind of falling out and I had to pack it back on and pack it back on. But other than that, these colors are super pigmented and really nice. The shimmers go on real well. The glitters are incredible, like super fun for a rainbow colored perfection palette. I really love it. I'm glad I have it. I feel like sometimes you need each of these colors at the very least. They're just good to have. Like, what if it's a holiday and you need Christmas colors, Easter color, like anything ever if you want to have fun. 100% amazing. I think these pencils are awesome. They did break, so I learned to don't put them out too much, you know. They glide on super easily and they're quite pigmented. Like you saw, I drew the white just over this shadow and it looks pretty dang good to me. I freehanded it. If you need to, you know, take your time. I know that it's not that easy to do. You can always like fix it up with the shadow if you mess up a little bit. So I just suggest going slowly and surely, and you'll be perfectly splendid. I love the box this came in, and I can't wait to try different looks with it. I just had to do a rainbow look because how can you not? How can you not? I mean, it's a sin to not do a rainbow look. I feel like Lucky Charms. I feel cute, like I'm into it. Hope you guys like it. Hope you had fun watching me rainbow my eyeballs, and hope you join me for the next video. And I have been having so much fun. You guys are honestly getting me through this pandemic and being stuck at home and quarantine and all that stuff. It's been really fun making these videos. I am doing a giveaway, so if you want one of these palettes, make sure to subscribe, comment on this video, and I will be announcing a winner in the near future. So here's your chance to get a giveaway of these products. Yeah, I'll be posting it on my Instagram, more details. I'll post more details in the description below. But if you want yourself your very own one of these palettes, yours is in the mail because I ordered this one and then decided last minute I'm also gonna order one for a lucky winner. So that is that, and I think everybody should have one of these. So let me know why you want to win. Tell me why you deserve to win in the comments, and I can't wait to see who wins this awesome palette. And good luck, guys. Good luck. See you later, buddies.